My dear sisters and brothers, by the virtue of authority vested in me, I, Reverend Father Melvin G. Escobar, Assistant Priest of this Church, kaisa ng ating mahal na obispo, Parish Bishop, Bishop Isabella Roberto, at sa ating simbahan Independent Church of Filipino Christians, sa ngalan po ng Batas ng Republika ng Pilipinas tungkol sa pag-asawa, I pronounce you husbands and wives. Palakpakan po natin. At tawagan na po natin silang Sir Mrs. James and Evelyn Garcia. Palakpakan po natin. Okay, this is now your official kiss. Ina Garcia. Okay? Ginong James, ayusin mo muna bago mailan ang kiss. You may now kiss the bride. Oops, ayusin mo muna. May sumabit po. Matalagang gano'n. May sumabit. Matalagang gano'n na. Nagkakagal naman. Okay. Mas maayos. Ginong James, you may now kiss the bride. 10, 9, 8, 7,